Khulumbaikya takhukte bukuk sogno tai lamsogo ani o channel tini ang nongno sai khnanai Society for Entrepreneurship Development ni hoite katal kaisa job notification okhor jauka o job ni boni department ni short form ka software thanjago obongka boni website norok thangai naimano boni o website no kaisa option ni tongo notification norok click khai click khai recruitment ni click khai di obongka boni advertisement norok pulen nugnai notification number ka 03/2020 or click khai di click khai keno nugi manai boni je notification najita mon sijak bonomo sijak ja purely contractual job honai 11 months in bagai tai under angka technical support group ni under nai job ngui tongka Tripura State Higher Education Council Agartala ni hoite o job borok rnai nongno pulano post ni bomongka consultant RFP expert total vacancy kaisa no URO ni bagai tai qualification nangnai MBA in finance accounting or postgraduate in social science CS IT haigaba engineering branch tai essential experience nangnai minimum 3 years experience in preparation of RFP EOI EDNI for any state central government do bono preference bisi janai tai maximum age limiting ka 50 years te boni bagi salary jak 35000 next post ni bomongka project assistant total vacancy tongo kainei kaisangka UR no bagai ta kaisangka ST no bagai essential qualification nangnai post graduate in statistics haikaba MCA haikaba CSC IT tai qualification experience nangnai minimum 3 years relevant experience of data handling monitoring fund flow project implementation and monitoring MIS interface at any state central government offices scheme te boni maximum age limiting ka 40 te boni salary ka 25000 next post ni ka accountant vacancy kaisa no year on bagai qualification nangnai graduate in any discipline tai experience nangnai minimum 5 years experience in file management handling accounts cash book register etc of TDS GST omron bagai maximum age ka 63 years te boni bagai salary ka 20000 next post ni ka data entry operator kaini post to kaisanga UR no bagai ta kaisanga ST no bagai qualification nangnai 12 pass haika bini above experience nangnai minimum 2 years experience in government offices as a data entry operator or similar post handling data compilation maximum age nangnai 40 years tai salary ka 10000 next post ni bomongka personal assistant kaini vacancy kaisangka UR no bagai ta kaisangka ST no bagai qualification nangnai graduate in any stream tai experience nangnai individuals with minimum 10 years experience in government offices SPA PS tai stenography nangnai tai an MS Office tool stock saiman jakna nangnai tai maximum age tongbong ne bagai 63 years salary jangnai 20000 onorok o job ni bagai apply khanya ningke norok last date jaka 2nd July 2020 belekena jora kom norok daktine apply khanya naidi application boni rejak format norok oro thangai application rok print nawai fill up khaidi or jotono prayer for the post bo post norok apply khanya post bong soye fill up khai joma redi bong jomarani address angkha the member secretary Sofet ITI Road Indranagar Agartala 799006 do obongka kaisa notification second notification angno phunogui tongo obongka number 04/2020 notification number o jaga tongo post kainei kaisa angka technical assistant vacancy tongo 16 qualification nangnai at least 60% or 6.5 CGPA marks in BTech BE haikeba CSE IT EC branch haikeba BCA MCA MSc in CSE IT rogo tonga belanyo saw tai disabled jangnai knowledge in English Bengali te kokborok the maximum age limiting 40 te boni salary inka 19,370 place of posting jangnai no Unakoti district tai next post ni bumungka multitasking worker duita vacancy tongo qualification nanai at least 50% marks in graduation in BA BSc BCom etc do tai 45% marks tongkan chugo sini ST SC ron bagai tai disabled jangnai knowledge in English Bengali and kokborok maximum age limit 40 tai salary nai 12,145 momo posting nai Unakoti district no tai omoni samong jangnai under census work 2021 ni do omo bahai no taisina hai no application rejak tongo norok boni download khaye norok fill up khaye o address no rehodi boni bagi last date ka 4th July 2020 same address the member secretary Sopet IT Road Indranagar Agartala 799006 belekeno jora kom hinimano norok jora tongsini no apply khainai do job ni bagai tini bagai ashuk no belekeno hambai ani o video naima bagai to o video rok jodi non bagai help to kangke please norok like khaidi tai boino ke share khaidi jate nongni bagai buibo help kangke chai diba sini boro rok jodi omor no goi jodi apply khaike chin boro mang kangke bon bagai be help ngo diba amono nongni jodi nangya phono buini bagai nangai phan mono he diba amni share khaidi belekeno hambai tin bagai asno